Hi, everyone. So I've been working on my genre rooms for quite a while now, and I started to realize something after I had made about 3 or 4 rooms. The file size for this genre library was massive. And because of that, everything was starting to load really very slowly. I had all of these rooms and all of the Bitmojis and the Bitmoji furniture and the books and the links, it all just got bogged down. And I realized once I got into fantasy and science fiction and my plans for those rooms, it was going to be impossible. If you had a child who was in an area that had very slow Wi Fi, things would never load. So I needed to come up with a different solution. My solution for that was to separate out all of my rooms into individual slideshows. And that's what you can see here. Each different genre has its own slide. I still connect everything back to the circulation desk. Here's how I do that. Here's that humor room that we were working on before. Okay, no changes, nothing different about it. But what I do is I come up here to File, Publish to the Web. I have it, you don't need to worry about anything here. Don't worry, make sure it does not have selected start slideshow as soon as player loads. You don't want it to start the slideshow. You want it all to be controlled by the student. And then I'm going to double click on there, copy it. I'm going to go to my circulation desk, and where my humor tab is, I'm going to hit the link button, insert link, click that, paste that link in for the humor slides, hit apply. And then if I go to present, when I click on this, it takes me to my humor room. Okay, so that you can see now, whenever I click on one of these, it will take me to, there we go. It will take me to that genre room. And now I don't have to, hopefully, I don't have to wait for 50 million slides to load. I'm not waiting for one room to load over and over again because I don't have a ton of slides all in one place. Okay, so now what do you do with all of these? I've got everything done now except for sports. I'm not very athletic. I'm a librarian. So that's my last one to do. But now what do I do with this now that I've got it there? One of the things that you can do is you can just, you can publish this to the web. So go to File, Publish to the Web, give that website to your students and let them explore this. Or you can create a website. I've actually created my own website, bit.ly/obm library. And I've got everything right there on the website. So when school starts, I'm going to train all of my students. Anything you need, go to the school website. And there is my genre room right there on the opening page of my library's website. And you can embed this directly in to your Google site. And now there it has all of the links in, so I can click from my school website on humor, and it'll take me to my humor room. That easy. Well, I don't want to say easy. There's always a learning curve. What's easy for me might not be for you. But once you start learning and practicing, it will become easy, and it will be something that you are able to do. All right? So that is how you publish your pages. That is what you can do with them. You can post these in your Google Classroom. You can create a library website. You can give the link directly to your English teacher so that they can help promote it. All of those are great strategies. If you have ideas, feel free to email me because I'm always looking for ideas to promote reading. All right? Thank you so much.